Well, she won Bobby's Jeep and she cruised through the town with her kids now. She forgot all about the sales that she needed to make now. The radio blasted, she was fast as she can now. And she'll have fun in the Jeep with no payment to make. Kids all love her because she drives off to soccer like an ace now. With a red hot Jeep, she makes working at home so cool now. A lot of buyers try to catch her, but she answers from the phone in her Jeep now. And she'll have fun in the Jeep with no payment to make. Hey, Glenn, get that checkbook ready. Hey, Bob, this time it's my hair blowing in the wind. All along that Tracy was favored to win now. Since she has a ton of tickets now, you thinking that your fun is all done now. But you can come along with us, cause Tanya's gonna pull out a name now.